Monkey holds his hungry belly and looks around the tree for food. Monkey's eyes wide. He rushes to the mushroom patch and quickly picks them without hesitation. Monkey bites straight into the mushroom, but suddenly freezes and clutches his stomach in pain.
Oh no! Help me!
On the other side, Tractor is walking along whistling. As he gets closer, he stops. Tractor quickly runs toward the tree and panics when he sees Monkey.
Oh no!
Are you okay?
Okay.
Tractor 2 arrives. Tractor 1 explains everything, and Tractor 2 quickly figures out the problem. Tractor takes out a first aid box, pulls out an antidote bottle, and carefully gives it to Monkey to drink. Monkey slowly wakes up and thanks Tractor.
Thank you.
Tractor smiles and glances toward the garden on the farm, suddenly getting an idea to grow mushrooms. Monkey, excited by the idea, claps enthusiastically in agreement. Monkey pours the spores into Tractor's cup, and Tractor drives into the garden, spreading them until the whole area is covered. Next, Monkey carries a big bundle of straw and spreads it all over the garden. The garden slowly sprouts pure white mushrooms, covering the entire area in a blanket of white. Monkey and the two tractors happily hop around, then turn to look at the poisonous mushroom patch. In the end, never pick and eat anything you find by the roadside if you don't know where it comes from. The peaceful farm scene. Monkey and Tractor drive out of the barn.
Oh, wow.
The feeder is almost empty.
Aha!
Hey, you.
Tractor enters the empty field and starts plowing.
Hello, baby.
Monkey calls Bulldozer and Water Truck to help.
Hello. Hello. Let's play together. I will help you. Let's do it.
Bulldozer digs the soil while Water Truck waters the field. Monkey runs to the barn and brings out a bag of seeds. He pours the seeds into Tractor. Cedar.
Let's go.
Tractor spreads the seeds across the field. Sprouts grow, the rice matures, and the water drains away.
Welcome to the farm, everyone! Today we're going to learn about the harvester.
Okay.
Tractor and harvester work together to harvest, filling the truck with rice. Harvester cuts the rice, pouring grains into Tractor's tray.
Good job.
A lush green mustard vegetable field. Tractor 1 is connected to the irrigation system, and on the ground lies a bottle of plant fertilizer. Monkey placed a bottle of fertilizer next to Tractor 1.
Oh no!
Harvester picked up the bottle of fertilizer. Poured it into the water tank.
Okay.
Tractor 1 moved into the field. Water sprayed out. The plants gradually withered.
Oh my God!
Harvester looked surprised.
Oh no!
The plant nutrient box was still intact.
I'm sorry.
Harvester took out his phone and called for vehicles to come and help.
Okay, let's go.
Tractors 2 and 3 moved closer.
Help me. Let's go.
moved over the field, tilling the soil.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Monkey carried the sack of seeds and poured them into the container. Tractor 3 moved into the field. Seeds were sprayed out.
Wow!
Harvester picked up the bottle of plant fertilizer and poured it out. The plants sprouted and gradually grew. Everyone was happy.
Good job!